Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a stable network and system state. Plug the Xbox into Ethernet whenever possible because it lowers latency and increases throughput. If you must use Wi-Fi, pick a 5 GHz channel and place the router close. Once wired, set power mode to instant on and close background apps so the console dedicates resources to streaming. Make sure to limit other heavy devices or set router co-S to prioritize the Xbox. These steps raise bitrates and reduce stutter early in the process. Now you tune encoding and capture. On the Xbox app or capture device, choose the highest resolution and frame rate supported. 1080p 60 is ideal for most setups because it balances motion clarity and bandwidth. Once done, set a bitrate ceiling on the capture software. Aim for 6 to 10 Mbps for 1080p 60 and scale up for higher resolution only if upload permits. Make sure your capture PC uses a hardware encoder like NVENC or QuickSync to finish by validating the stream and knowing one key fix. Start a short test stream and check latency, dropped frames, and visual artifacts. If you see blockiness, lower bitrate or enable VBR. If you see lag, reduce resolution or free up network bandwidth. Make sure router, Xbox, and capture drivers are up to date and that NAT is open for best performance. If problems persist, reboot the router and console, test a wired connection, and run an internet speed test to confirm upload capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.